I have two updates for you. One on those applesauce pouches, because it ain't over, as well as an update on the peaches, plums, and nectarines recall. Then we have two new recalls, one for mangoes as well as ice cream. So I'm going to talk about the updates first because those recalls have already been established and I want to let you know what's going on. So the applesauce pouches, Wanabana, Schnucks, and Weiss, applesauce pouches that were recalled nationwide. They are still investigating the point of contamination and they are trying to determine if there are other products linked to it. So, if you can make your own applesauce, I would say make your own applesauce or at least stay away from these pouches. Now, what other products they think might be linked to this? We have no clue. They are not saying. But this is current as of January 30th, that they are still investigating this, trying to find out if there are more products, and they still do not know the exact point of contamination. In November of 2023, there was a recall due to listeria for peaches, plums, and nectarines. Now, as of January 30th, 2024, they have announced that the outbreak is over. However, during the course of that time, and I want you all to listen to this to know how serious listeria can be. During that time, they had a report of 11 cases. That was a nationwide recall too, but they only had a report of 11 cases. But out of those 11 cases, they had 10 hospitalizations and 1 death. So please don't take these recalls lightly. When they are contaminated with certain things, it can be very serious or life-threatening. Now, before we get into the new recalls, if you want to stay informed and up to date, take a second and subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell to all. And more importantly, share these recalls out with people you know, your social media, anywhere that you can, because if it does not affect you, it could affect someone you know, family, friend, or foe. So please share it out. Let's make sure that we all stay as safe as possible. Going on to the current recalls, mango and ice cream. Byrne Dairy has recalled their half-gallon chocolate ice cream. As usual, I will have all the information in the first pinned comment of this YouTube video. So if you're watching from another platform, you will have to go to the YouTube video. It's the only one that allows me to have enough characters to put this type of information in the first pinned comment. While you're watching the video, you look below, you see the comments, you tap on it, you will see the information. The half-gallon chocolate ice cream from Byrne Dairy has a sale date of 10/4/2024 on it. That's about 9 months out now. So if you have this ice cream and the actual total flavoring is called Mighty Fine Chocolate Ice Cream. Now, so far, this chocolate ice cream has only been distributed in upstate New York. Okay? But if you know anyone in New York, still share this out with your social media because someone from New York may be following you. And so we need to get the information out no matter how contained of an area it may be. And again, that is for now. It has been recalled due to undeclared peanuts. Actually, someone that had bought this ice cream, a consumer, was eating it and realized that it actually had peanut butter in it. And they contacted the company. And this is what prompted this particular recall. An actual consumer was eating plain chocolate ice cream and it had peanut butter in it. So it's for undeclared peanuts. So anyone that has a peanut allergy, nut allergy, please be aware that this brine dairy chocolate ice cream, mighty fine chocolate ice cream has been recalled. Again, the sell by date is October 4th, 2024. Now the mangoes. Trurog Distributor has recalled mangoes. Now these are dried mangoes, but they are distributed to all retailers nationwide. They come in a plastic container. And people use dried fruit in a lot of things from baked goods to smoothies. They have been recalled for undeclared sulfites. So if you have a sulfite allergy or you're allergic to it in any form or fashion, please be aware that these have been recalled. These are for dried mangoes. Help me help you by sharing this out. Subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of these updates when I post them. Today is January 31st, 2024.